everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all how I installed and styled this new T-part lace front wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. This video is sponsored by DIVASWIGS. They sent me their new 22-inch ginger color T-part lace front wig, and I believe this wig is 150% density, but I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description bar. So I'm just showing you all how everything looked when I first received it. The wig came in this satin bag, and inside I had a pamphlet giving me like all the information about the wig, and I also had a wig cap. So here I'm just showing you all a close-up of the hair color. It's a pretty brownish like ginger color, and you have two blonde pieces in the front. I'm not sure why my camera is picking up more of a reddish tone, but I will be adding some photos at the end to show you how it look in natural lighting. So this is how the wig look in the inside, and as you can see, you only have lace like in that T shape, and then on the sides and everywhere else you have the wefts. So for some reason I wanted to bleach the knots on this wig, and I messed up. So basically I didn't make my mixture like thick enough, and some of the bleach like seeped through and got onto the hair. So please excuse that in the video because I was so mad, but I will correct it. I just didn't have like the right hair color to match the wig, so I just left it alone before I like really messed it up. So here I'm just taking my scissors and cutting off some of that lace. And today I'm using my Sea Breeze to remove any oils or makeup that I may have on my skin. And then after that, I'm taking my Meltdown Extreme Lace Glue, and I'm going to apply like one layer across and spread it out with my comb. Then I'm going to wait until the glue is tacky, and then I'm going to apply my lace. So now I'm just taking my razor comb and cut off the rest of the lace. And as you can see, I did have glue in areas where glue shouldn't have been. So I'm just taking some alcohol and I'm just going to remove that off my skin. When I was finished removing the glue, I just took my hair scarf and I just tied it around my hairline so I can get it nice and flat. And as you can see, I'm still very upset about my part. Like, I was so mad I didn't have the right hair color to fix it. But anyway, so after I did my makeup, I went back in front of the camera, but I did not know I was not recording. But I took a little bit of hair out in the front, and I just used my razor comb to like cut it down short, and I applied some foaming mousse, and I just swooped the baby hair on each side, and then I placed my headscarf back on for like about 10 minutes. And then that's when I realized I wasn't recording. But this is how it looked once I removed my headscarf. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. At first I was like, I'm going to crimp it, but then I'm like, no, I'm gonna add a few curls because I want like that loose curl look. So this hair is very pretty, it's very soft. I did get some like snags when I ran my fingers through it, but once I go to the store and buy like my argan oil, I'm sure like it won't be a problem. So even though I have to like fix my middle part, I still got so many compliments wearing this wig. Like, everybody loves this wig, it's so pretty. So for some reason my camera was not picking up the right color of the wig, so a few days later I just took a few pictures using my iPhone in front of my ring light. But this is how the wig look in real life. Like, this is the color of the wig. I apologize you know, like the video is it's more like a reddish tone, but it's not that color. So drop a comment down below. Let me know if you will rock this wig, honey. Okay, and all the information will be in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I see you all in the next video.